Hello my Spkeasy friends. Today we're going to read I Hear Nature. The first thing that we want to do is go into our Spkeasy app and go into the Harmony Hub. Now we're going to go into Customize SpeakPad. And here we can add all of our Spkeasy. We hit this drop down menu. We're able to make the SpeakPad a lot more diverse. So we want to go into the book and see what words we can add to our SpeakPad. And now if we click on the SpeakPad, we're able to see our Spkeasy here and we're ready to read I Hear Nature. Crunch, crunch, crunch. I hear gravel and rocks under my shoes. Whoosh, 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 whoosh. I hear wind blowing through the trees. Flutter, 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 flutter. I hear a butterfly flapping in the breeze. Buzz, 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 buzz. I hear a bee zipping past my ear. Tweet, 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 tweet. I hear birds singing from their nest. Scratch, 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 scratch. I hear squirrels scurrying through the bushes. Babble, 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 babble. I hear water bubbling through a creek. Croak, 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 croak. I hear a frog talking with their friends. Splash, 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 splash. I hear my new friend splashing in a pond. I hear nature everywhere. Crunch, crunch, whoosh, whoosh, flutter, flutter, buzz, buzz. Scratch, scratch, tweet, tweet, croak, croak, babble, babble, splash, splash. The end. And there you have it, Spkeasy friends. Thank you for reading I Hear Nature with me. Bye-bye.